Jolly Pong and the matcha latte. Hi guys, it's Phoebe from Crazy Thursday. Welcome to our channel. We would love to become your go-to source for hassle-free Korean food that tastes better than your Asian takeout. We have opened up the Friends Cafe. It's not called the Central Perk. We have our own quarantine cafe going on in Korea. So we're gonna be making 2 drinks. First, the matcha chocolate latte, dalgona matcha version. The second one, we're gonna make the Jolly Pong milkshake. Let's get straight to the ingredients and start making. You'll need Jolly Pong, Oreos, matcha powder, hot chocolate powder of any kind, cookie chip ice cream, 1 jug of milk, and 1 Nespresso shot. We're gonna need the matcha powder for the mixture. Add 2 teaspoons of matcha powder and 3 teaspoons of water. The texture is gonna have to be a little bit on the stickier side. We're gonna make the coffee now. Take it out. Hot chocolate powder, 2 teaspoons will do. Okay, mine's done. And now, because it's iced latte, we're gonna put them in the fridge.
5 minutes later.
We're gonna add matcha first. There it goes. Now we're gonna add ice. 1 cup of milk. Chocolate rain. Now it's time for the best part. Ice cream is always the best part. Now I'm gonna decorate it with the leftover matcha mixture. But then I realized this kind of looks like some pink matcha there. So I decided to scrape a little bit of chocolate from the frozen chocolate that I have. So we're gonna add 1 cup of milk. Pour that into the blender. Add 1 cup. Here comes ice cream again. Gonna blend after I finish dancing. I forgot that I had to add Oreos. Okay, it's time for taste test. First, we'll try our matcha dalgona latte. Give it a good stir, guys. Otherwise, by the time you drink up the latte, you're gonna meet matcha, none other than herself. And now we're gonna try our our Jollypong milkshake, if I can get to the bottom of it without having to throw out half of the Jollypong. So Jollypong is like sweetened cereal, if you see. So this will be like eating a really cookie and scrumptious milk with sweetened cereal on top, which is a Jollypong. Oh, I want to try it right now. Okay guys, so we finished making our version 2 of the Dalgona coffee series. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our video. And this was Phoebe from Crazy Thursday. Stay safe. Bye-bye.